Hello, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Look up, just look up. On a clear night, far from the bright glow of our cities, you can witness a sliver of the grandest spectacle imaginable, our own Milky Way galaxy, a swirling island of hundreds of billions of stars. It's almost incomprehensible in its scale, its beauty, its sheer existence. But what if I told you that these majestic cosmic islands are not solitary wanderers? What if they sometimes collide? Imagine, if you will, two colossal pinwheels of stars, dust, and gas, each containing hundreds of billions of suns, spanning hundreds of thousands of light years. They drift through the vast emptiness of space, drawn together by the relentless pull of gravity. For eons, they journey on their lonely paths, seemingly oblivious to each other. But the moment is coming, the inevitable encounter. What happens when two galaxies collide? It's a question that sparks the imagination, conjures images of cosmic cataclysms, of stars crashing into one another in a violent ballet. But the reality, as is so often the case with the universe, is far more nuanced, far more wondrous. Think of it like this. Imagine two enormous, diffuse clouds of smoke drifting toward each other on a still day. When they meet, do the individual smoke particles violently smash into one another? Not really. They mostly pass right through each other, their forms intermingling, their shapes becoming distorted, creating something new and complex. Galaxies, despite their immense size and the sheer number of stars they contain, are mostly empty space. The distances between individual stars are so vast that direct collisions between them are incredibly rare. When two galaxies collide, their stars, like the smoke particles, will largely glide past one another, influenced by the immense gravitational forces at play. But this doesn't mean it's a gentle affair. The gravitational interactions between the two galaxies are immense and far-reaching. These forces begin to warp and distort the shapes of both galaxies. Spiral arms, once elegant and well-defined, can become stretched, pulled, and torn. Vast streams of stars and gas can be flung out into intergalactic space, creating long, luminous tidal tails that can extend for millions of light years, ghostly remnants of a cosmic embrace. The interstellar gas and dust within galaxies, however, do experience more direct interactions. These vast clouds of cosmic material collide, compressing and heating up. This compression can trigger intense bursts of star formation, leading to the birth of millions of new young, hot stars that blaze with brilliant blue light. These stellar nurseries light up the merging galaxies, creating regions of intense activity and breathtaking beauty. Over vast timescales, hundreds of millions, even billions of years, the two colliding galaxies will gradually merge into a single, larger galaxy. The process is a slow, majestic dance choreographed by gravity. The final form of this merged galaxy would depend on the initial sizes and types of the colliding galaxies. Two spiral galaxies of roughly equal size might eventually form a larger, more rounded elliptical galaxy, its once graceful spiral arms lost in the cosmic blender. Our own Milky Way is no stranger to these cosmic encounters. In the distant past, it has likely absorbed smaller dwarf galaxies, and it is currently on a collision course with our large spiral neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Don't worry, this won't happen for billions of years. But when it does, the night sky as we know it will be transformed into something utterly spectacular. Imagine a sky dominated by a vast, glowing spiral, far larger and brighter than our current Milky Way. For our distant descendants, it will be a breathtaking, once-in-a-cosmic lifetime event. The birth of a new, giant galaxy, perhaps nicknamed Milkomeda. These galactic mergers are not destructive events in the way we might initially imagine. They are transformative processes, cosmic ballets of gravity and starlight that sculpt the universe on the grandest scales. They are a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cosmos. As we gaze up at the night sky, at the faint glow of distant galaxies, remember that each of those seemingly static pinwheels is a universe unto itself, containing unimaginable wonders. And sometimes these universes meet not in violent destruction, but in a slow, graceful merging, giving birth to new and even more magnificent structures. The universe is a place of constant change, of cosmic creation and transformation. And as we learn more about these galactic collisions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the sheer scale and grandeur of the cosmos, and our own small but precious place within it. So, the next time you look up at the stars, ponder this. What other cosmic dances are unfolding in the vastness of space, light years away? What other magnificent mergers are shaping the universe we inhabit? Think about it. Please like and subscribe the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more such videos.